Good day everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video, I will teach you guys on how to get your computer model or laptop model in command line in Microsoft Windows operating system. Before we start, I would like to say thank you so much to all my viewers, silent viewers, and supporters in my channel. Thank you for watching my videos. If you are new with my channel and then you like this video, please hit the like button. Don't forget to share and please support my channel guys by clicking the subscribe button. So let's begin. On today's episode, we will learn how to identify what model of your laptop or computer using command line in Windows. Right now, we are here in the command line. Just type the following command: wmic space csproduct space get space name. By issuing this command and press the enter key, it will gives us the model of our laptop. In my case, I'm using Dell Inspiron N5050. Now, the product name here depends on the type of model of your laptop or compute you are using. Okay, so that's it. That's the very simple command to get the model of your laptop in the command line in Microsoft Windows operating system. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you have learned something new in this video. Don't forget to like, share, and please support my channel guys if you are new by clicking the subscribe button. See you in the next video tutorial guys. This is your friend Jake saying bye bye for now.